Biologically, I'm a few hundred ages. My left ear is 64. My fitness test, they say I'm 18. My heart is 37. My diaphragm strength is 18. I playfully say I'm trying to become like an 18-year-old. My son is 17, and so I always tease him and say, when I grow younger, I want to be like you. If we slowed the speed of aging and even reversed it, it would change what it means to be human. Every night, I was getting up one time per night to go to the bathroom. But when I did so, it produced less quality sleep. So we got this machine to trial, could we strengthen my pelvic floor and my bladder so that I wouldn't get up at night to go to the bathroom. It's been successful.
Oh, it's like pins and needles. It's sort of tickling, but tickling in a quite hard, aggressive way.
We've made about 22 years of progress in reversing the age of my skin. It takes all these images of your face and you get about 10 reports on pore size, UV spots, reds, browns. I have significant hearing damage, and we're doing some rejuvenation technologies trying to get my hearing back. It's really hard going. It is a game now. It is so much fun to see what progress can be made from one measurement to another. There's quite a few people who are excited that this is happening and it's a good blueprint for them. There's also been a colossal amount of hate, which I love.